Hi guys, my name is Gaurav and welcome back to my channel Yourz Techy. And in today's video I am going to show you quick hands-on of Galaxy Z Flip3 5G Indian variant. So let's don't waste any time and start the main video. So this is the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me first show you its physical overview. As you can see here, it's covered by Gorilla Glass Victors on front and back, and on the bottom we have a speaker and a Type-C port, and here is cover display which is 4 times larger than previous one, and side is made up of aluminium, armor grade aluminium with power button and volume rockers. Let me open the device. Yeah, you can see here it's a main display of 120 Hz of refresh rate and full HD plus of screen resolution. And let me show you its display settings. As you can see here, let me reduce its brightness first of all. And as you can see here, it's written adaptive and standard. That means standard is 60, adaptive is 120 Hz. Now it also comes with features like increasing your touch sensitivity, so you can use it while wearing gloves or while applying screen protector. Let me quickly jump into its about phone section to show you on which version of Android it's running. Basically it's running on Android 11, and let me show you its battery also. It has around 3300 milliampere of battery, which can be charged by 15 watt travel adapter. And let's jump into its camera. It has 12 plus 12 camera, main and ultra wide, and this is the viewfinder, and it has one feature that we can use to click selfies from main camera like this using its cover display. And yeah, you can also use this while clicking an ultra wide selfie on your cover display, as the device looks pretty great. I mean, you will not feel like you are using a foldable. It is so refined that it doesn't seem like it has a plastic display. And really I am really impressed by this device. So let me click photo of my Galaxy Buds Pro. Let me take a snap of it. As you can see here, yeah, from both main and ultra wide. Yeah, you can use this as clicking your selfie, as I have told you earlier. It is powered by a Snapdragon 888 chipset with 128 gigabits of internal and storage. And let's take a look at this feature, which is that you can flip the device to use it like I am showing you right now. As you can see, I have played a YouTube video, and the way I flip the device over or I fold the device, it switches to its flip mode, which is also present in Z Fold 3. Its weight is pretty light. Really, it seems like a fully fledged smartphone, and it's powered by Snapdragon 888, 8 GB of RAM, and UFS 3.1 storage of 128 gigabits. So this was this in this video. Hope you guys have loved this video. Signing out, Yourz Techy, and have a nice day.